Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Yeah, LINK pushed higher today, still in this diagonal that we've been tracking, most likely here still in the third wave. Within the third wave, we have this three-wave move, A, B, C. So the A wave here might have topped on the 14th of July, then a B wave down, and now we're working our way up in a C wave. The C wave is a five-wave move. So I gave you earlier today a target basically to the downside, a support box in which this wave 4 should find support. Now the wave 4 can still stretch out longer time-wise, and it can also go deeper. But the idea is that as long as we're holding $7.60, here the 50% retracement level, that price has a chance to push once more at least higher in the fifth wave of the C wave of the third wave. Now, as you can see, price did get actually into the support area already, touched the 23.6 FIB level at $8.03, which is the first relevant support in a wave 4 support zone. So a wave 4 would typically, in most cases, go to the 38.2 FIB level. And I think we can still look at that as a possibility. It should just not go below $7.60. That would be too deep for a reliable wave 4. And think about it, price broke out of this price channel that LINK has formed since the 10th of June, and breaking back into it would not really have bullish implications. So we have a few things here, a few factors. We talked about a diagonal. So diagonals mean they are sort of unreliable. You have a little bit less clarity in the wave count. I always say when that's the case, in diagonals that is the case. We have such a situation. It can of course certainly still pump because a C wave, for example, can be an impulse. So we're watching that. But overall, yeah, we had a possible 5-wave move up of the 10th of June lows. You know, we talked about 2 trend reversal areas, and they were reached and they were successful. These setups worked out. I gave you today another support area, and let's see if that works out as well. So far it has, because I gave you that area before we touched it, then we touched it, so price is already in profit. But I have no strong confirmation that this fourth wave is already over. At the moment, I would actually primarily expect price to reach 779, but that is really just the micro level, and that's really only because it's the 38.2 FIB level. And as I just said, in most cases, if I simply go by probabilities, I would have to expect a wave 4 to get, in most cases, in most cases to get to the 38.2 FIB level. Now, at the moment, I have no confirmed low in place in this wave 4, so it can still, again, go a little lower. And especially if you take a look at the length of the wave 2, I mean, timing doesn't really matter, but I always like to see a more healthy wave 4. So the wave 2, it took the wave 2 a couple of days. Now the wave 4, to get that done in just half a day, I don't know. But certainly one more high is likely. And bear in mind that if we make that one more high, I mean, it depends a bit on how high it goes, but we have certainly very, very important resistance around $9.50. Very important. But yeah, until then, the focus is on higher as long as we're holding the support levels. And at some point then after one more high, if we get one more high, that's the condition, then we can look forward to a wave 4 pullback, a deeper wave 4, and then another wave up in a wave 5. And after that, we should get a first decent pullback. Let's see. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.